Welcome to Cindy Eats. I'm Cindy. Hey, how y'all doing today? So today I'm doing the MD Takeover Challenge. Let me pull it right quick. I know you gotta go to your three least favorite restaurants, fast food places. Get an entree, a side, and a dessert. Well, y'all like, I always see one bag. Yep, Chick-fil-A. Um, this is hard for me, not because I couldn't figure out what I didn't like. It's the fact that it ain't too many fast foods that I don't like. I like Arby's. I like Burger King. You know, I don't like Chick-fil-A. Yeah, some people may be like, "Girl, what's wrong with you? You crazy, girl." uh, who don't like Chick-fil-A? Me. I don't like Chick-fil-A. There's nothing about it that I like, except for one thing: tea and the breakfast burrito. And even then, I don't eat that often. But I'll go get their drinks, okay? So, I got me a kids meal. The least thing this is supposed to be a 50-50 tea, unsweet sweet, but somehow I ended up with lemonade and whatever it is. This is side of fries. Right, they're cold now. That ain't no good. This what y'all be raving about. This ain't mac and cheese. This is not mac and cheese. This is macaroni and cheese. That is macaroni noodles with something they call cheese. No. This is a chicken tender. It's big. That's my finger. And I got short, stubby, fat fingers. That's a chicken tender. If this was a full grown person meal, it would only be four of them and it cost me $10. They say you got 7 minutes. That's what they said. It's on the laptop. It started. This what y'all like. This that gravy cheese. You know where they fry up some flour and add some milk and some cheese and call it cheese. That's gravy cheese. That's how I make gravy with some flour and some milk or flour and broth or whatever, flavor it up, season it up, and it's gravy. But they said it's a cheese sauce. This is not good. This is not good. If I gotta have it at a certain time, if it this is not good. These are not good. You can't eat it without sauce. It's like they put sugar in the breading. It's sweet. It tastes like they rolled it in syrup and then put it in flour and fried it. It's not good. It's not good. This is food made for 4 and 5-year-olds. I'm sorry. There's no adult tasting in any of the food that they serve. All the chicken is sweet. Even the spicy chicken. I done tried it. It's sweet. The drink sweet. The chicken sweet. The sauce sweet. People just like sugar. Yeah, and not. I ain't need no dessert because sugar, sugar, sugar. Only way you can eat their chicken sandwiches, their chicken tenders, their fried chicken little pizza that they call nuggets. Gotta have sauce, which is sweet too. You'll be like, try the chicken minis. Try the chicken minis. They give me more bread than chicken. I get a piece of chicken, this big, covered in bread. Then I gotta put sauce on it because the bread is so dry, covered in some kind of honey sticky sauce. Sugar. It's sugar. It's not good. My granddaughter like Chick-fil-A. You know why? Sugar. This mac and cheese is made for grandchildren. 3 and 5-year-old grandchildren. Mm-mm. Mm-mm. I'm gonna go with Popeyes. I'm gonna go with KFC, Bojangles, Churches, anybody's chicken. Whether it be a sandwich, a tender, a nugget, of a Chick-fil-A. It ain't good. It take forever to order. No, let me take that back. It take forever to get your food. They have people walk up to your car and take your order. And you still all the way behind the line before even getting through the drive-thru. Something always wrong with my food every time I go. No, you just, no. Chick-fil-A sucks. It's overrated. Like I said about them Popeyes chicken sandwiches. Overrated. Overrated. I ain't even pay for this with my own money. I had a gift card. I can't do it. I cannot do it. This is only bearable because of that Polynesian sauce. That's really sweet and sour. They try to be different. Y'all can have them. Y'all can be in love with them. But it's a no for me. It's an absolute no for me. You can't convince me. You can't change my mind. Chick-fil-A sucks. There are a few people. This is macaroni. It's macaroni and cheese. I like mac and cheese. You know, mac and cheese, mac and cheese. So, gets it pretty fast. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. See you next time on Cindy Eats. Bye.